when Alina was born, I started getting paranoid watching this news. Rape, kidnapping. I got so concerned. I could not think of sending her to school or sending her to a play date. Or once she grows up, will I ever be able to send her to a party without being there myself? And I realized this is not the solution. And I said, why not we create some sort of a device or something to keep her safe? So I spoke to my husband and asked him, you are the security guru, come out with something to keep our child safe and secure. And he said, why just our child? Let's come out with something that keeps all the children safe and secure.
So then Manish and I teamed together to basically build the product, and we've been at it for a year now. So the first feature that we decided to build into the product is Safe Path, where you define the route that your child typically takes from home to school. And should the car or the school bus deviate from that path, you will immediately get an alert about that deviation.
Another feature we have added is that of a geofence, wherein parent can set safe zone for his child, let's say home, school, etc. So whenever an entry or exit event occurs, then an alert is generated to the parent's Android phone.
So we thought, let's make the product even more unique, and we are making this geofencing feature very, very specific and accurate, such that if your child crosses, let's say, a barrier such as a school gate or your building gate, you will then get an alert even for that event.
What if your loved one is in distress?
Or a situation wherein he can't handle himself. So in that case, there's a button on the device which, when pressed, an alert is sent to the predefined numbers with the location coordinates.
And we've actually built security from the ground up, because at the end of the day you're storing data related to your child or your most loved ones. So whether it's the design of the product or the secure coding techniques that we've adopted, or the fact that we are actually storing very, very less data on our servers, and even the data that we are storing is heavily encrypted. The idea here is that we want to minimize the chances of any breach of that very, very sensitive data. So for that, one of the features that we are adding is that, let's say the band actually comes off the wrist. In that situation as well, you will immediately get an alert. And then we are adding the standard capabilities that come with the health band. For example, if the person wearing the band, his or her temperature goes higher or lower, or the pulse goes higher or lower than normal, also you will get an alert. So you will figure out if something is wrong with your child or with your parent. And one of the features that is in the works right now is where you can forcibly make a call onto the band and speak with your child and listen to what is the ambient sound and make sure that your child or your parent is safe. So if you believe in this idea, help us get the product to the next level and fund the campaign.